the line in the sand has been drawn, at least legally, as France's top constitutional court has ruled in favour of President Emmanuel Macron's controversial pensions overhaul. The decision is met with public outrage.
We're going to show them that we're not going to give up and that yesterday's and today's demonstrations were neither a funeral nor a last stand. For us, it's the beginning of what must be a growing movement.
Ignoring the ban on protesting in Paris, demonstrators gather in large numbers. However, even after 3 months of strikes and sometimes violent outbursts, the minimum retirement age will be raised. Last month, Macron forced his bill through Parliament without a vote, and it's that use of the executive power that was deliberated by the Constitutional Council. Their green light is the final hurdle, and the law will be signed off within 48 hours. For the government, any outcome other than the validation of key elements would have been considered a failure. In many ways, the approval, with minor tweaks, was highly anticipated. In its 64 years of existence, the Council has only ever rejected an entire law once. With hopes of a referendum quashed, union bosses and members argue the ruling is unjust and vow to push on with resistance.
We'll go all the way to the withdrawal. It's quite clear since the beginning of the mobilization that we are not going to give up. We'll continue until the government withdraws this law.
Polls show 70% of French people are against the pension changes, while the government argues they are necessary as the money simply isn't in the pot. But for Macron, it's business as usual, paying a visit to Notre Dame Cathedral on the 4th anniversary of the fire as restoration work continues. It may be case closed for the French president, but with chaos returning to the streets, for protesters, this is certainly not the end. Shadia Edwards-Dashti, TRT World.